Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you my three most favorite quick and easy fall time recipes to prepare and meal prep. So let's get cooking. Instant Pot meatball recipe ready in less than 15 minutes. Chicken and dumpling soup recipe. Who doesn't like chicken and dumpling soup? This is a family favorite and kids love it too. Lastly, I will be sharing the easiest meal prep recipe there is, which is a sheet pan recipe. Purple, African violet, sweet potatoes, and sausages. Real quick, let me introduce myself. I'm Christine, a registered dietitian and expert in nutrition. I attended a training in Bulgaria to receive special certification and training in the areas of gut health and nutrient metabolism. I am a certified psychology of eating coach and wish to give everyone the gift of total time freedom with no cook weekday meals. The fastest way to healthy living is by cooking meals at home. I work to plan meal guides so you don't have to. Save time by meal prepping and have more time freedom. And remember, health is wealth too. For the meatballs, use 1 pound organic ground beef and 1 pound organic ground pork. Add 1 diced onion, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons dairy-free milk. I use unsweetened almond milk, 2 egg yolks and 1 egg white. Too many egg whites causes a tough meatball. Add a half a cup grated fresh Parmesan cheese and 1 teaspoon fresh oregano. I love using fresh herbs. Mix the mixture with your hands is easiest. For the crumbs, blend up corn chex cereal in a food processor until it reaches a fine consistency. Add a half a cup to the mixture and mix together again. Add 2 jars of spaghetti sauce to the Instant Pot. I go with Barilla Marinara. It has no added sugar and is low in sodium. Create golf ball sized meatballs and add to the pot. Layering is okay. Add the lid and seal the valve and set for 15 minutes. While the meatballs cook, it's optional to make gluten-free noodles. Cook to the box's instructions. I use the Barilla corn and rice noodles. They're the best gluten-free noodles. They taste just like regular noodles and they don't get gummy or fall apart. When the meatballs are done, release the pressure and let cool. This is a perfect weeknight meal and also can be prepped for lunch. Freeze for up to 2 months or store in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Remember, noodles don't freeze well, so always store them in the fridge. Next, for the chicken and dumpling soup, in a heated Dutch oven, add 2 tablespoons avocado oil. It has a neutral flavor and a higher smoke point. Add 1 cup diced onions, 3 stalks diced celery, and 3 carrots diced small. Give it a little stir and cook for about 5 minutes until onions are translucent. Add 4 cups bone broth or chicken stock. Homemade bone broth is what gives soup such a buttery taste and feel. Add 1 pound of chicken. I prepped a whole chicken and roughly diced it. Give it a stir. Add salt and pepper to taste. And add 1 bay leaf for depth of flavor. Now add fresh rosemary and 5 to 6 sprigs of thyme. Now for the dumplings, I use King Arthur gluten-free flour, which is a 1-to-1 ratio of regular flour. Add 2 1/4 cups, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and whisk it together. Add 2 eggs and whisk. Add in 1 cup bone broth or chicken stock and add the eggs. And mix to combine. Mixture should be sticky. Spoon into the soup about 1/4 cup servings at a time. Now cover and let simmer for 20 minutes. When the soup is done, remove the bay leaf and thyme. Kids love this recipe. It's a different twist on chicken noodle. I just love the pillowy dumplings. They float and get so soft. This recipe makes 3 quarts. Store in quart canning jars in the freezer for 2 months or in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Dumplings freeze great. Lastly, for the super simple and quick sheet pan recipe, I found these awesome African violet purple sweet potatoes, which I'll dice and add for color. They bake just like a regular potato and have a less starchy, slighter, sweeter flavor. Find whatever veggies are in season. Add to a mixing bowl and drizzle with olive oil. Add salt and pepper and fresh herbs like oregano, thyme, or rosemary. Add in more color, whatever you have, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Aluminum foil leaches aluminum into food, which can be carcinogenic. Add your kielbasa sausages, nitrate and smoke-free bratwurst, and or chicken sausage. Roast in the oven at 425 degrees for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven and toss the sausages and veggies in the cooking juices. Return to the oven for another 15 minutes or until sausages reach 165 degrees. Let cool and store flat in freezer Ziploc bags or canning jars. Bon appetit! Guys, all 3 of these recipes took less than 2 hours to make. And now I have meals for every day of the week and I don't have to cook at all. So meal prepping can give you so much time freedom. Follow for more recipes and meal prep ideas. Bye!